Hey everyone, you're welcome to Practical Maths with God Knows. Now let's go to the board and move further. Now we are going to be working on the multiplication and division of fraction. Multiplication and division of fraction. Let's just go straight to example. If we have 2 over 3 multiply 6 over 4. What do we do? Multiplication, I also have two methods. They are all the same thing, but two methods. I call the first method this way. First method would be 2 over 3 times 6 over 4. So cutting down. So let's cut down here. We say 3 here, 1. 3 here, 2. 2 here, 1. 2 here, 2. 2 cancel 2. So we are left with what? 1 times 1, then 1 times 1, which gives us 1. Our answer C gives us 1. I believe this is clear. Now, what is the method 2? The method 2, for those who might be confused in the cutting and cutting, method 2, you could do it this way. 2 times 6 all together, then 3 times 4 all together. You just say 2 times 6, 12, over 3 times 4, 12. 12 divided by 12, 1. We are still doing the same thing. You can see we got the same answer. Now let's go to the second example. 2 whole number 1 over 3 multiply 12 over 21. Let's start with the method 1. Method 1, I call it cutting down. But before we could cut down, we have to change that mixed number to an improper fraction. 3 times 2, 6, plus 1, 7. So we have 7 over 3 multiply 12 over 21. So let's cut down. How do we cut down? 3 here, 1. 3 here, 4. 7 here, 1. 7 here, 3. Nothing else can go down again. So we say 1 times 4 equals 4 over 1 times 3 1 times 4 equals 4 over 1 times 3 equals 3. So 4 over 3 is an improper fraction. So we can still convert it to a mixed number, which gives us what? 1 whole number, because 4 divided by 3 is 1. Remember, 1 over 3. So your answer is 4 over 3, or 1 whole number, 1 over 3. Now let's try method 2. Method 2. Method 2, straight to the point. It becomes 7 times 12 over 3 times 21. 7 times 12 will be what? So 7 times 12 will be 84 over 3 times 21 will give us 63. So what do? Let's cut down to the lowest term too. 3 can go here 21 and 3 can go here 24. What else can go? I think 7 can go. 7 will go here 4 times and 7 will go here 3 times. We are left with what? 4 over 3, which is the same thing as what? 1 whole number 1 over 3, just as the first method. So any of the method is fine. Now we are going to be going to the division of fraction. Now before you can work on the divisions of fraction, there's something you must understand. It is called reciprocal. What is a reciprocal? Reciprocal is an inverse of a number. Inverse of a number, that is what we call reciprocal. In our fraction, what does it mean? It means change in position of the denominator and numerator. Change in position of the denominator and the numerator. For an example, if you have 2 over 3, this is the numerator and this is the denominator. Then the reciprocal would become what? Change in position. 3, that is the denominator, becomes the numerator 3, and the numerator becomes the denominator 2. This is the inverse of this fraction and is also called the reciprocal. We are saying this because in solving division of fraction, you will need to know reciprocal. So in an example where you are given 17 over 20 This is a fraction. The reciprocal of this fraction becomes 20 over 17. The change in position of what? The numerator and the denominator. How about even if you are given a whole number, you are given 2 as a number, and they say, what is the reciprocal? It's still change in position, because 2 is assumed that there is an invisible 1 as the denominator. So this becomes what? 2 becomes what? 1 over 2. Inverse of this number is also called the reciprocal. We must understand this in solving division of fraction. Let's go straight to solving the examples on division of fraction. Now, first example would be for division. 6 over 2 divided by 12 over 8. 6 over 2 divided by 12 over 8. How do we solve this? We go straight by saying 6 over 2. Our division changes to what? Multiplication. Our division changes to multiplication, and this changes to its reciprocal. Meaning, once this division changes to multiplication, 12 over 8 changes to what? 8 over 12. As this division changes to multiplication, this fraction changes to its reciprocal. So in this case, it has become multiplication. We solve it in the way we've already been solving it, either with method 1 or method 2. But in this case, let's solve for both methods. For method 1, we have 6 over 2 times 8 over 12. Method 1 is cutting down. So let's cut down. 2 here, 1, 2 here, 4. 6 here, 1, 6 here, 2. We are left with what? 4 over 2, which is the same thing as what? 2. That is method 1. Now let's try for method 2 on the same question. Method 2. Method 2 would be what? 6 times 8 over 2 times 12. 6 times 8 is what? 48 over 24. And we know that 48 divided by 24 is what? 2. The same thing with this. I believe we are getting this. Now, the last example for today would be 1 over 3 over 5 divided by 2 over 2 over 10. What do? Let's convert them first to what? Convert them to an improper fraction. 5 times 1, 5, plus 3, 8. 8 over 5 divided by 10 times 2, 10. 10 times 2. 10 times 2 is 20. 20 plus 2, 22. 22 divided by what? 10. This has to change to multiplication. So it becomes 8 over 5. This changes to multiplication. Multiply the reciprocal. 10 over 22. I believe this is clear. So now, what do? Let's cut down our method 1. Method 1, let's cut down. 8 over 5 times 10 over 22. Method 1 is to cut down. 5 here, 1. 5 here, 2. 2 here, 4. 2 here, 11. So we are left with what? 4 times 2 gives us what? 8 over 11. This is our answer, 8 over 11. Now let's try out the method 2. Method 2. Method 2 will be what? 8 times 10 over 5 times 22. So what would this be? 8 times 10 gives us what? 80 over 5 times 22 gives us 110. 0 cancels 0. We are left with what? 8 over 11. Can you see? We are also getting the same answer. I believe today's class has been rich and enlightening. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on our channel.
Practical maths with God knows we go. Numbers come alive and start to glow. Taking maths beyond the page, you know. Making every problem light up slow. Practical maths with God knows. God knows we will